Hello people, welcome back, Cityhunterz, new vlog. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick room tour of the Xafira Deluxe hotel that's in Alanya. So I might do a hotel tour as well, depends on the time which I've got or not. So let me guys give you quickly a room tour. Catch you later. So the room is 23336. This is the card. Let's enter the door, and this is the room. First of all, let me put the card in the box as well, and then I'm going to show you guys. What should I show you first? Let's go to the toilet and the bathroom. So a basic sink with a window, of course. That's me. Hi. Hair dryer. It's got a toilet and a shower. It's got different stands, I guess. A rain shower, a normal shower, and that's it, I guess. Over here you'll see another mirror. Yeah. So that's the bathroom. Let's move forward. On the opposite side you'll see where you can put your shoes, I guess. Closet, which I'm not going to open because we've got our stuff in here, so that's a bit private. And we've got the family room, so this is one bed, and you got a drawer next to the bed. Over here you can put your luggage. Here you've got a small desk with a TV, which we didn't use, by the way. Let me open this. This is a small fridge. You've got water inside it, so that's free all the time. You can get anytime any drink what you want. Some stuff of ours. Another drawer, and this is the desk with a mirror. As you can see, it's quite a big spacious room, so that's nice. Double bed. And if we move forward, this is room number 2. Over here you can see another bed. So let me show you guys. This is the bed, and if I move towards the other side, then you guys will see a sofa where you can sit, chill. So let me move further towards the balcony, and I'll show you guys straight the view which we've got. So this is the view that we've got from the balcony. Yeah, with a lot of swimming pools where you can swim. In the back you've got a baby swimming pool. You've got a balcony as well there of the lobby, so which again I might film later on, depends on if I've got enough time to film this. And this is the balcony then. 2 chairs, a table, simple balcony, music playing all the time, and a nice view of the area. People, this was a quick room tour of this hotel. If you did like this mini vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you on to the next one. Take care, peace out. Ciao.